Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Instagram algorithm. So maybe you are tired of Instagram showing you endless video and posts that you don't care about. Here I'm going to show you how you can customize your algorithm for a better, more engaging Instagram experience. So what you need to do in here is just go to the Reels page, click on the Reels button in here, and you can just click on the three dots icon on the Reels that you just watch, and you'll see this option, see your algorithm. You can tap on that option. So this is my algorithm in here. As you guys can see that Instagram will automatically detect or guess what I've been into. So lately I've been into parenting, culinary, and also live music events. So if you want to delete or you want to add something, you can just here click on the one that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this one. You can just long press on the category and click on remove interest, or you can also click on move to see less, just like this. And if you want to add something, you can click on add button and add your new interest in here. So this is what I want to see more of, and this is what I want to see less of. So you can just customize each of this category. And here you can also click on the three dots icon at the top to see the political content, sensitive content, and more content preferences. So let's say I'm going to go with political content in here. You can here turn off the suggest political content if you don't want to see it, and also it's the same with the sensitive content. And let's click on more content preferences. So this is where you can modify your algorithm more, such as interested and not interested, or if you want to, let's say, block specific words or phrases, you can go in here. You can add words here. So your Instagram will hide the suggested post with hashtag or caption that have the specific word, phrases, or emojis that you added. So guys, that's how you can customize your own Instagram algorithm. I hope you find this helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.